Pick your team number 2. Good luck. All right. Guys want to guess the first auto for 15 in Blez Bucks? Go. Or actually, it's only one auto per. Guess the first auto for 15. Is that you, Riches? Doing good, man. I'm trying to kick this fucking cold. So irritating. Alright. Good luck, guys. Bullard on the electricity to 75. What's up, Fez? I am. Yeah, I'm sorry, Fez. I was not feeling good, bro. This cold kicked my ass. This one definitely did. Oh, it's a Bengal. I didn't even see you earlier. Good morning. No, I'm much better. I just got shit in my throat right now. There, do I sound a little better? Right. Red of Dubs. Romeo Dobbs. I have a rated rookie autograph. To 325, it's a hollow on-card auto of Roman Wilson for the Rams. I apologize. It is a base. I didn't know the base on-cards were numbered, and he missed his signing area. He signed right on his package. And he kind of drew himself a package there. I don't know. Steelers is on the board. Orange of Jalen Hurts. Knicks. Michael Wilson on the Aqua. I'm just saying, that's what it looked like. I do have an ice number to 15. Good luck, Milton. Deontay Johnson on the orange. I don't even know half these guys' teams anymore. I don't even know if Deontay's still with the Panthers. We have a rated rookie ice. That's a big card. For the Niners and my brother BC, that's a true of Ricky Pearsall to 15 on the ice. Nice hit. Super nice hit, man. 6 of 15 on the Pearsall. Nice hit. Nick Space. Tyreek on the Aqua. And a true blue of Najee Harris. No longer on the Steelers neither. Oh, did Deontay sign? Yeah, we can definitely finish the Phoenix case. I'm down, Mango. I put that right back up, honestly. Most of the elites are gone. The only thing I got to get off is the Patriots. Sorry for the basketball faithful. I think the basketball faithful is waiting for their flawless. That's a sick Pearsall, though. Alright, number 3 is next, guys. We'll get him, Dave. Don't worry. We'll get him. I just need somebody to come out of nowhere and take a spot or two. Once we get 1 or 2 spots out, it will go. Here's out of 15, Roman Wilson at 325. Number 3 will be next. And guys, take your Phoenix. Don't forget about Phoenix. Let's finish the second half of the case. There's still a case hit there.